Hi, I'm Keith from Warrington Sporting Clays. This is a new Browning A5 Sweet 16 that we'll be giving as a door prize at the MKT Shriner Shoot on September 28th. The new Browning A5 comes with a lot of special features. Three different things that do come with it is the shims for the stock, where you can extend the length of the draw. Comes with 3 chokes. Comes with the modified, the full, and the improved cylinder. It has very little recoil, and it'd be a great gun for anybody. If you'd like the chance to win the new Browning A5 Sweet 16 with all these great accessories, come to the MKT Shriner Shoot September 28th, and you'll have an opportunity.